I hope already you know how to use an ESP. If not, please ask your mentor to teach you how to blink an LED and how to blink it fast and slow using a simple code. Today, what we are trying to do, we will try to learn a Bluetooth or a wireless communication, right? So if what you are seeing right now is an MIT App Inventor. This has two sections. One where we can create an app, how it look like. We call it UI, UX, design, whatever you call it, right? And the second part where you say, right, how you write the code. Now the codes are looking like the block, but believe me, they are very strong and very powerful code. Almost every app in the world you can make here, right? And the best part is it's zero cost and you don't have to host it on Play Store or something. Directly you can start using it, right? So we will learn how to do it. So the very first thing, whenever you will come here, this is the app, you will be coming to a space where it says create apps, right? Once you will click on create apps, because I am already logged in, it will allow me to go here. In your case, it will be a new thing. Whenever you go, it will give you some pop-ups and all the things. Already last tab what you were open, it will be showing there. So look here what I am doing. I have a scan button. I have a text label. I have two buttons on and off, right? Here also if you see, it says list picker, label, button on, button off, and a Bluetooth client. So, right. So first we should have all these five things, and then there is a part of the code which says before picking, after picking, right? When you press off button, when you press on button. So life is very simple. Let's start doing it. I will say create apps. It will take me here. It will show this is my current app. And I can, rather than I can stick to the current app, I don't want. We always start from basics. So we'll start from zero. Let's give it a name. My city, my lift, right? Or you can put it elevator or whatever you want to call it. So now this is my city, my lift. It's giving you a blank screen, right? You can make it as beautiful as you want. First level, we are making a functional, very simple app. In part 2, I will show you how to make the app beautiful, but here it's only related to how you make a functional app. So as I said, we had two buttons there. Okay, button 1. Okay, button 2. We had one thing which was saying list picker. Can you see list picker here? Oh, I have a list picker also. This was saying another thing which was saying a label. Can you find a label there? Label, label, label. Okay, I put it label. Then comes the last thing, which is right. So what was Bluetooth client? So Bluetooth client, for that you have to go into, can you see connectivities? In the connectivity, so many things are there. Bluetooth server, Bluetooth client, activity starter, serial, web, all the things are very important. Everything allows you to communicate. We are using now Bluetooth client, a wireless communication. Note here, very important thing, the Bluetooth client has not appeared on the screen. It is appearing below the screen, right? So there we stand. Now comes the thing, which is how we start this, right? So all the things has come. I didn't like the button. Button is not looking beautiful. So to make it beautiful, let's say somebody says, oh, first, whenever it goes up, I want, what color you want? Huh? Somebody says, I want a green color, right? What is the color? Color of the background color, right? Then comes, oh, I did not select it or what? Save, right? Same for button 2. Let's say I want red color, right? And I say save. Now again, still they are not looking good. I don't want them to be in the here one. So what I will do, I will go to the screen one. It says horizontal. I will make it center. Oh, they came center. Top, again I will put center. They came center. This looks a little bit better. Still my buttons, I am not happy with them. So what I will do, you can put the images and so many other things, beautification later on, only basic default things. So find where text for button 1 is somewhere written. Can you find the text, right? So go to button 1, and in the button 1, if you find the text one, right here, I will write it up, and I will make it big. So let's make it 30. Same I will put here, and I will go and put here down, right? Again, I don't like this. This should be 30. Now this is looking good. Same for the list picker. List picker, what I will say? I will say here, scan Bluetooth device. So this will allow to scan the Bluetooth device, right? Label 1, what it will do, whatever I want to show here, it will show like connected, disconnected, all the things. I want to keep it empty, whatever I want, I can do it here. Now, so this is our simplest possible screen. Later on, I want your civilization name, rules, everything should be there. That we will do later on, because all these devices one day will come where we are fitting them together. But right now, this much is good enough. Let's go to the block. List picker, please remember you have to pick two things: before and after. Now, the very first thing is we want to know how many Bluetooth devices are there so we can connect to the right Bluetooth device. Please remember whatever name you have given later on, that same thing will be showing you up here. So, okay, if you are here now, what the next thing you will do is quickly go here and say set list picker elements, right? And list picker elements you will set to what? Bluetooth client. And you will set the list picker element in the Bluetooth client to Bluetooth client's name and addresses, right? Now, another thing is just we have to, what we have selected, picked one that we want to connect. So we'll go to the Bluetooth client. After going to the Bluetooth client, so what we will say in the label one, so set label one that text to, now go here, say call this thing, right? So call Bluetooth client. Bluetooth client means nothing. Whatever Bluetooth you have selected, I want that to be connected, right? So now this time the difference is whatever elements I have selected, that element should get connected. So that should be lying somewhere in the list picker. So what I will say, list picker dot element, whatever is there, that should get connected, right? I hope till now there is no problem. Now it is super simple. I have to do a very simple two things. So I will send a text message, right? When I will send this text, when button 1 is pressed and button 2 is pressed. So when button 1 is clicked, I will send a simple message, right? That will say send A and join by this. If you are not understanding, I'll tell you. So these are very simple tricks. They are used in, right? So backslash n. So it says whenever you are sending the message, I will send A, and if it is coming with backslash n means my message is completed. So rather than sending A, you can send bigger message and all the things also. But we, as we said, we are creating the simple functional one. Now duplicate. After duplication, it will show you that error here. The moment you will make it button 2, it will not show, and just A you change to the P. And this is your functional app is ready. Once it is ready, what you will do? You will quickly go here to connect, and in the connect there are many ways you can connect it. You will be using AI companion, which is the easiest way to do that. Before that, your phone should have AI companion. If it is not there, please use your teacher's phone and he will be connecting and checking it. Remember one thing, AI companion should given the permission that it can work, and then only it will be working, right? So that much only. If you can do this, you have an app. This, I know it's not looking beautiful, we will do it in the next time, but let me give you some two bonuses that at least make your life a little bit better and good. One is scan devices. Let's say somebody don't want it to be the squarish thing. Let's change the shape of this. We should make it a little bit oval, right? Just to show you like you can change the things. And then second thing what we will do, here we will say this, let it be like this. And only thing is, let's do one more thing. On the screen also, you want to give it a color of your choice, right? You can give a color, you can give a background image. Right now, I will go with color, right? So can you see background color, 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 color? Here it is. And let me give it a, right? You can choose your own color. I choose cyan color. You can choose your own. And there we are done.